In this video tutorial, guys, I'm going to share with you how to get up to $1,100 to start trading gold all for free. So stick with me in this video. By the way, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this on this channel. So without further ado, before I go into showing you how to get the $1,000 or $1,100 from Bybit to start trading gold or any other forex pair on the Bybit exchange for free, let me just share with you what I currently have on my account to show you how profitable this can be. So if I go to my wallet right here, guys, you can see that I deposited, first week of last month, I deposited about approximately $540. I will show you that in a moment. And today I'm up by $842, meaning there's an addition of $300 on this account. It was actually more, but I had some losses, and that is what has led us here to show you how much I've deposited into my TradeFi account, trading gold, trading Euro USD, trading GBP USD. And to see the difference in the profit, if I go to where it says funding lock, right here, you see where it says funding lock. If I go ahead and click on it, you will see right here, this is how much I funded my account so far. This is about this is on the 7th of July, and you can see, right, same day. Okay, so approximately I funded about 540 USD, and this is what I currently have. So I have an addition, let's say return on investment of $300. It would have been more, but this is what we currently have right now. And guess what, guys? I've been trading just gold alone, and some of these trades that I've been taking, I've been sharing with you guys. Recently I had some losses, which is why this has to reduce. It was 1,000 plus, but I had some losses. And then what I'm grateful to is that we are still in profit. Okay, I started the journey with 500, and today we are 800 plus. All right, as at the time I activated my own TradeFi account, Bybit was not giving free money, but guys, today you can get up to 1,100 USDT to start trading either gold, trade Euro USD, or any of your FX pair, all for free on the Bybit platform. Now, one thing you should understand is Bybit actually makes it very easy for you to trade Forex. It is not as other brokers where you need to make deposit to a platform, to the broker, and then you come to MT5 and then start trading. But on Bybit, it is all inside of the Bybit app. Everything is inside. You just deposit USDT, and withdrawals are straightforward. You can withdraw via P2P to your bank account directly. Okay, so with that being said, let me just go ahead and walk you on how to claim this. So to be able to claim your own free money to start trading gold, forex pairs, indices, stock, and all of that, all you just need is, if you go to the description, just click on the link that says claim now. That will bring you to this page. And once you come to this page, guys, all you need to do is to click on the register option. If you don't have a Bybit account already, just use the register button right here to create an account. And once you create an account right here, if you make a deposit, okay, you need to make a deposit, and you're not going to trade with the money that you are going to deposit. So if you create your account, I've already showed you step by step on how to activate your account. Okay, once you come to the TradeFi option, it will ask you to apply for an account, and in the process of applying for an account, you'll be asked to verify, to do your level 2 verification. Just use your NIN slip or use a bank statement for the past 3 months to do that. And after that, you just need to make a deposit. Making a deposit means transferring money from your unified account or your spot wallet or your funding wallet to the Bybit TradeFi platform. Once you do that, you will get 100% credit. 100% credit, meaning if you deposit $1,000, you are getting $1,000. All right, immediately. If you are doing this for the first time, if you deposit, let's say $5,000, you are getting 100% credit of $5,000, right? Once you do this thing, all you just need is, you can keep your money aside and then use the credit that they are giving you to start trading. Now, subsequently, if you now make additional deposit, you will now be receiving 20%. So if I make a deposit of 1,000, I'm going to receive 20% of that subsequently. But if you do that for the first time, you are getting 100% of the amount of money you deposit into that platform, and you can use that money that they're giving you to try out the TradeFi platform and keep 100% of whatever profit that you make from it. And there's actually $1 million for this, so it is time limited. Even while it's showing right here that you have about 50 something days to go, you need to act right now before this actually get exhausted. So claim your own right now and start making and money with the free money that you are getting from Bybit for yourself, right? So with that being said, if you want to start trading gold with me, then I've made a step-by-step video that teaches you how to trade all of this. All you just need to do is to go to the app. Once you go to the app, you click on this trade option right here, and at the top here you'll see different menus. Just click on the trade file option right here, and that will bring you to this page. So if I want to trade gold, for instance, I just need to click on it, and once I click on it, beneath you will see a buy and a sell button. So if I click on the buy button, I have the option to buy with market price, as you can see right here. And then I have the option to buy with trigger price. If you want to set limit order, whether it is buy limit, buy stop, all of that, you can use the trigger price to do this, right? Here you don't need to get confused with what the difference between buy stop, or sell limit are, right? So you just need to just click on the trigger option and then set your limit order, or you use the market order. Then right here where it says quantity, by default your own will be in USDT. So click on the arrow and change it from USDT to lot size. So here is where we'll be defining the lot size we want to enter the market with. So if I want to enter with one lot size, I just need to type one lot size, or 0.01 or 0.5 or 0.1, whatever lot size you prefer, you are going to do that. Okay, I have an in-depth video tutorial that teaches you how to use all of this. And if you have a trade that is currently running, okay, it is very easy to manage, right? If you have a trade that is running, it's very easy to manage. If I want to close, I can just click on the close buy. If I want to take partials, I can just click on the close buy and then select what I want to close, 25%, 50%, 75% of all of that. And then I'll go ahead and click on confirm, and that will close half of that trade or part of that trade for me. And then I move stop loss to entry and or above entry in order to secure profit. So trading on the Bybit app, trading FX pair, trading gold, or any other pair of your choice on the Bybit app is very easy, guys. Deposit is straightforward, and then withdrawals are straightforward. So take advantage of this free money that Bybit is giving right now and use it to make some money for yourself. That is it for this video. If you are new, once again, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. And if you want to take advantage of all the free signals we share every day, the link to join my Telegram will be in the video description. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.